So the first thing to do is to generate the image using ChatGPT. So I use ChatGPT. You can use Google Nano Banana inside of Gemini. But since I use ChatGPT more than I use Gemini, I just generated the image. So this is basically the prompt that I use to generate this image. I'll put a prompt in the description of this video in case you want to use it and just turn it into something else. So this was the first picture or the first image, product image that I created, and it's called Little Boosts, and these are basically healthy gummies for kids. But I wanted it to give me another direction, so I told it to create another image, and it came up with this one, which I actually prefer. So you want to download each of the images that it has created. So you download them before we take it into the second tool that is going to turn it into a video. So before I download this image, I actually wanted it to be a landscape, or I want to get a landscape version of it. So inside of ChatGPT, I can click on the main image, come here to the aspect ratio, and then I can just edit it. I can say turn it into widescreen, which is basically like landscape, and then it's going to turn it into a landscape. So after that, we want to come to the Google Flow, and Google Flow is basically a tool from Google that you can use to create videos. So you just want to go to labs.google/fs/tools.flow, or just go to Google and search for Google Flow, and you come to an interface like this. So what we are going to do is we are going to come here, click on new project, and this is where we now start building our project. So inside of Google Flow, we want to come to this button here, click on add media, and we can create a character, we can create scene, we can create collection, but we want to upload the media because what we want to do is a very simple marketing campaign. So I'm going to use this red one because I actually like this one. So you can just open it, and then this is the necessary rights and all of that. So you click on I agree, and then this is going to be our image. It's going to load the image, and then we need to find a prompt to give it to turn this image into the video that we want. So if I come back to my ChatGPT, I already used ChatGPT to write a video prompt that I want. So here, this is the video prompt that I want it to give me. So I'm going to copy this prompt, and this is what we are going to add inside of the Google Flow. So this is now our image, and this is where we want to put the prompt. So if you want to use this same prompt that I have, I'm going to put it in the description of the video. You can turn it to, or you can tell AI to rewrite it to fit whatever you are trying to sell. But in my case, I am okay with this, so I can just click on create. So after some time, it's going to return this prompt telling you if you would like to create this video that will cost you 12 credits. If you say approve, you can just say go, and it should start creating the video for you. So the generation is completely done, and you can see what it has created. This is actually very lovely and very professionally done. So if you like it, you can basically just come here, click on download, and that is exactly what I'm going to do. So you can download this in 720 if you are using the free version, which is currently what I'm using. If you want higher resolution, then you want to upgrade to the Google Pro, but 720 is good for me, so I'm going to download 720. So we are going to repeat the same process for the second image. So to create a second video, we are just going to come here, click on upload media again, and we are going to bring in the second image, which is this one. So this is a prompt for the second one that we have added. All right, so we've changed this prompt to make the video a little bit different. If you want it to actually say something, you can basically put an instruction here of what it should say, but I don't want it to say anything. I want it to be plain, and then maybe we can decide to use our own voice or create a separate voice if we wanted. If you come here, you can add settings. All right, so you can choose what this agent should do, if it should confirm before running the video, which I like. But you can also, if you are generating images, you can generate images using, you can set the kind of image aspect ratio that you want and how many images that it should generate, and also the nano banana model that it should use. But we did not generate this image using nano banana, so we are more interested in the video generation. So you can also set the video generation aspect ratio like 16:9 or 9:16, which would be a portrait. We are using we are using the landscape here, which is 16:9, and we can only also tell you the kind of videos that we want, like maybe 2x speed or ×2 or 2 videos that you should generate. We are going to keep it to 1, and here this is where you can select the model that you want. So it's used the Omni Flash, but let's try with the View 3.1. So once we use View 3.1, you can save it, and then you can basically tell it to go. So here it wants me to give the go ahead, but you can see that the View 3.1 takes up to 100 credits, and you can tell it to approve. I'm going to approve it. I don't know if I have up to 100 credits, but I'm going to approve it to see if it's going to run. But this is basically how you create it. So this one actually failed because I do not have enough credits to use the View 3.1. So what we are going to do is we are going to go and change that settings. So if we come here, we are going to change from the 3.1 to, let's say, maybe 3.1 light or fast. So let's see how many credits that's going to cost us. So if you click on save, it should give you an estimate of the credit. Here we have to click approve because we now have enough credits to create it. So we are going to click on approve. So after less than a minute, it's now ready, and this is the video for the second one. So I really do not like all this leafy stuff, but it's not so bad, and it's actually good. But if you do not like all this leafy stuff, you can come here, tell it to change it, maybe remove the leafy stuff. But I think that's also in my prompt, so you can basically tell it to remove anything that you want. However, I'm good with this, so I'm just going to come here, click on download again, and I'm going to download it in 720p because I'm on the free plan, and we basically have 2 commercials. Let's see what it looks like. So this is how you can create high quality commercial videos for free using just ChatGPT and the Google Flow. Again, you can do this using Google Nano Banana. And if you want to try this entire workflow, I'll put a link in the description containing the image and the video prompts that I use so that you can use it for your own. I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. My name is Noel. I'll see you in my next videos.